Shanti Tito Sina. Shanti. What's that?
The scar reflecting the car.
Shanti. Shanti.
Wait.
2 months later.
Kumacha kunosa semachi. Asije.
Soka bwana ndio watu kisoka. Kwa mazeni yake sasa tunasema kana yeye. Ina munga hata ndio watu. Tani kama mmoja. Ana chali chali mchongani kwa mtu. Mazeni yake bwana anasema sasa tunayopeleka sasa kama tatu ndio mtu. Tani ndio mtu kama ndio mtu. Ndio soka.
Lights. Shantakeza leta. Ambia light. She let down. Shantakeza let down. Sile na tere kabia maso. Lagi la gabe sile langa mwompere langa mwazija mcharo bagambe. Chichi.
I missed out.
Yeah, me too. One day. Oh, two. Kati omukyere katongera kireka tetugenda kola bwetuti kyetugenda okukola genda ogenda kufulirayo emitwalo 2 ogenda kumpa togenda kumpa right shukirema ogenda kumpa togenda kumpa okay maiketra anisiza wandampadde za keke nga era keke gyakoze balance yampadde balance wa ketra kekse balance wa ketra niyosabe kyala ketra yasempadde ekutinzo zakusirika zizo ale naye tulikiria tunabiri mwe tano usilingire kabanga akawera shati mwese tunabiri mwe tano shati we family no tunabiri mwe tano 62 usilingire kabanga akawera tunasete ketra ndakani zanano ezo zakatwa adina jamunyera ketra pata jamunyera pata zanano jamunyera chiwede atebya mabu Aisha. Yeah. Yeah, I said no. I said no. Okay. Okay. Sis. Yes. Olugamba luuto kyampulira kati mpulira njagala kulaakoolera bw'olugamba. Njagala nkule bwe mbinyonnyola. Mugamba ekigenda mu maaso. Grace. erina yange ery'okubalita lugambo kati noonya mwensirika siraba asikali webanyinyonnyola asikali tali swimming pool teyesirika
What's the problem? Yes. Chimani group. Isn't that Chikola? What? Ose. Onewani de koma kwa luto wa bao.
Kenny. Pange Murati.
Murati. Murati. Tu papa. Mama. Mugereka mama. Fote kunyaka imita butte. Hey, Chichi. Yafuna accident.
Yeah.
Taina HIV. So accident yamukona chibrote.
Wakaona.
Wait a minute. Your husband is functioning. Ata is a collaborator. That means I want no one. Best news this year. Oh my God. Hey, how you were? What did you?
Can you raped me?
Tofayo. Omwana agenda kuzalibwa Luxembourg. Pampa tuzitumye Canada. Antenatal tugende wa Dubai, China, wale wakule chukuli. Don't worry, I love you tugende tu America. Chichi, what's the problem?
I'm gonna bust on this as a child.
Mwana wa
Bust on a child.
Listen. Mwana wa. That's my baby.
Ken.
As we speak today, I am your husband.
Hey. Why?
Listen to me. As we speak. But Chichi.
But I've said this is a bastard child.
Please, don't call a
Can you raped me? So how am I to be open and raping her?
I have to fight revenge. Chichi, what's your point?
Okay.
Chichi.
Still not for a solution.
Solution.
Because I can't betray my husband. Because I saw him and I went home.
To terminate that pregnancy. I'm recording. You're finished. Chicken is a personal friend. And it's your name and so choose wisely.
Okay?
Choose wisely. Watch me. Hey, come say.
Watch him, right?
Yes. Put your hand, go up. Yes. Honey. Yes. Honey. Yes. Honey. You're here?
What am I saying for?
Honey, I have got the biggest news ever in my life. Honey, kana maulide mashafu nyo. Honey,
Go get up with you.
honey, there is no way I cannot
I had failed to jubilate this. I've always asked for this. Oshekera, Mungu aliganga alikusaidia. Oshekera, sana bantu bonna. Nabo baze kunsanyikira okulwa amawulire ago. Hani ky'omanya I'm even failing how to start the news.